Hello everyone. In this edition of Pinkathon at Home, we are talking all about the physical and mental health for women and everyone around us. And this edition is revolving around sunlight and the benefits of sunlight for our body, for our health. And in this podcast, I would like to discuss one very important element related to sunlight again, and which plays a very crucial part in the smooth functioning of our body regime. And this this function is called the circadian rhythm. What is the circadian rhythm? These rhythms are physical, mental, and behavioral changes that follow a daily cycle. They respond primarily to light and darkness in an organism's environment. Sleeping at night and being awake during the day is one of the most common example of a light related circadian rhythm. And these circadian rhythms are found in all living things, which include animals, plants, and many tiny microbes. And the study of these circadian rhythms is called chronobiology. Now, most of you must have heard or know about your biological clocks. So, biological clocks is a very common term used for our body functioning, and it is related to circadian rhythms. Now, what is a biological clock? A biological clock is an organism's innate timing device. This timing device is fit into our body. We are born naturally with a biological clock, and this is composed of specific molecules or proteins that interact in cells throughout the body. And biological clocks are found in nearly every tissue and organ. And researchers have identified similar genes in people, fruit flies, mice, fungi, and several other organisms that are responsible for making the clock's components. So, biological clocks and circadian rhythms are not same, but they are related. Biological clocks produce circadian rhythms and they regulate their timings. Now, what is a master clock? In your biological clock, there is a master clock in your brain, and this master clock in the brain coordinates all the biological clocks in a living things, keeping the clocks in sync. So there are a lot of biological clocks in your body, and the main master clock in your brain makes all these clocks work in sync. In all vertebrate animals, including humans, the master clock is a group of about 20,000 nerve cells that form a structure called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. This SCN is located in a part of the brain called the hypothalamus and receives direct input from the eyes. Now, does the body make and keep its own circadian rhythms? Natural factors within the body produce circadian rhythms. However, signals from the environment also affect them. The main cue influencing circadian rhythms is daylight. This light can turn on or turn off genes that control the molecular structure of biological clocks. Changing the light-dark cycles can speed up, slow down, or reset biological clocks as well as circadian rhythms. Now, to understand this, you have to understand something very important. Circadian rhythms is all related to your sleep cycle. That is why we say that you should sleep on time and get up on time to maintain this circadian rhythm. Your body is made to work according to the circadian rhythm. If you don't sleep on time and don't get up on time, your circadian rhythm, your biological clocks is all disturbed, which eventually leads to malfunctioning of your body. Some or the other organ of the body is bound to get affected by a wrong circadian rhythm. So circadian rhythms can influence sleep-wake cycles, hormone release, eating habits and digestion, body temperature, and other important bodily functions. Biological clocks that run fast or slow can result in disrupted or abnormal circadian rhythms. And irregular rhythms have been linked to various chronic health conditions such as sleep disorders, obesity, diabetes, depression, bipolar disorder, and seasonal affective disorder. So even if you take in sunlight but you don't maintain your circadian rhythm, you are going to lose all the benefits that you receive from the sunlight. So how do circadian rhythms help determine our sleep patterns? The body's master clock, or SCN, controls the production of melatonin, a hormone that makes you sleepy. It receives information about incoming light from the optic nerves, which relay information from the eyes to the brain. When there is less light, like at night, the SCN tells the brain to make more melatonin so you get drowsy. And this is how your sleep cycle is made. Similarly, when people get jet lagged because of the time difference while traveling, it is because of your circadian rhythm. And scientists studied a lot about humans' circadian rhythms, and by using these circadian rhythms, they have come out with a lot of other benefits which are related to these rhythms. And this is very important to understand how our biological clocks works and keeps time. And how does it contribute to human health? It may lead to treatments for sleep disorders, obesity, mental disorders, jet lag, and other health problems. It can also improve ways for everyone to adjust to nighttime shift work. And learning more about the genes responsible for circadian rhythms will also help us understand biological systems and the human body. So finally, I would like to say here that please study about circadian rhythms, learn about them, and try to maintain a very, very strong circadian rhythm